Hi, my name is Marlo. I've been experiencing hair loss since 2020, and I would love to share a little bit more with you about finding the right salon if you are considering a human hair topper. I started experiencing hair loss in early 2020 after early COVID, prior to the vaccine, experiencing some telefluvia, some hair loss post-viral infection. So I'd like to share a little bit about my experience at the salon at 10 Newbury Street in Boston. If I were to choose a salon to consider finding a human hair topper or hairpiece, I would want it to be an environment like this. I definitely had an image of, a wig store, kind of cheesy, lots of, pink wigs and colorful wigs, and that was not the experience I wanted. It's a very vulnerable experience when you are having this shedding or hair loss, and I wanted to feel like I normally felt going to a hair salon, Newbury Street in Boston, kind of having that experience of walking in and it being, feeling like I'm going to be treating myself almost, like it's an experience, like going to get your hair cut. I wanted to retain some of that. For me, having that experience, it felt very comfortable. I wanted to know that the stylists at the salon, really knew and understood blending the hair piece, how the color matching would work. I was most concerned also about it looking natural. So I had a lot of questions about how to put it on, and kind of becoming my own personal expert in, aligning my path and making sure that the front is blended for it to have that most natural feel. And without someone who's really familiar with human hair toppers or hair pieces, I think it would be challenging to kind of show that hands-on experience of making it really look like yourself. I hope that you will keep your expectations very high. You should expect a lot from a salon. You definitely want to feel that sense of comfort, that sense of warmth, that sense of expertise when you walk in. So I wish you luck in your journey, and I hope this helps.